And this was my fourth round of SBSM over the past couple of years. And I approached this round quite differently to the others. I really titrated the lessons, the labs and the exercises. And what I did really was to do them all in my own time and didn't stick to the lessons, which part of the time I have done in the past, and that felt good, but this felt different. So yeah, I didn't always listen to the recordings. I found that I was integrating the exercises into my life. So yeah, this felt like a real round of integration. It felt different, and that, I guess, meant that the changes and shifts felt wider. So what I did find, that I noticed that in this round I realised that I had had 20 years of PTSD with hearing fireworks. So whenever I heard fireworks, I'd either go into a flight response, or most common a freeze response. I would just want to hide away and sleep at hearing fireworks. So this didn't happen. I had 21 years ago lost a baby on November the 5th, which in the UK is firework night. So as I was losing the baby, all I could hear outside were bangs and crashes of fireworks, and that left me with a true PTSD response since then. And that didn't happen this year over the nights where there were lots of nights of fireworks. It just didn't happen. So it was a neutral feeling, or a curiosity to see them rather than be terrified of them or want to hide away. And the other thing is that planning a house move, and it's something that probably should have happened several years ago, but I felt way too frozen to even contemplate it. And it's happened. Well, not the house move hasn't happened yet, but house is on the market, and we're not just planning to move locally, we're actually planning to relocate, which, compared to how I felt about all of this few years ago, when it should have really happened, it feels okay. It feels doable, whereas it really didn't feel doable previously. So thank you again to Irene and to Seth and the whole of Team Lyon for all you hold and share.